Welcome back to Lesson 4. We've got lots of new things to learn today, but let's start off by reviewing Go Tell Aunt Rhody. We start with a C, then we go to a G7, and our pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Let's play Go Tell Aunt Rhody. 1, 2, ready, and.
Go tell Aunt Rhody, go tell Aunt Rhody, go tell Aunt Rhody, the old grey goose is dead.
Let's talk about how to practice the ukulele. One of the first things you should do every time you sit down to practice is review something that you know well. If you can play a C chord really well, practice a C chord. If you can play a G chord, practice that. Whatever you've got that you're comfortable with and do well, practice to make sure that you keep the muscle memory and keep the security that you had. Second thing you should do when you practice is practice something that you're still struggling with. If you're having trouble with a specific section and every time you run through the song you hit this spot and you have trouble with it, break it down. Play it slowly a few times. And then take a measure before that and then go into it. And then go 2 measures in front of it and go into it. And pretty soon you'll be able to go transition into it smoothly in and out of it. But just break it down. Don't try to do the whole thing at once. The third thing you should do when you practice is try to learn something new. If there was something in the lesson that maybe went a little faster than what you were expecting, try to go back and do that. Or if there was something in the lesson that was brand new, go over that. Maybe it was a new chord, maybe it was a new time signature, maybe it was a new strumming pattern. Try to practice the new stuff right here. You're comfortable, you've had some warm-up time, now concentrate on the stuff that's still brand new to you. At the end of your practice session, you kind of want to do like you did at the beginning. Practice something that you're secure with, that you know you can do well, that's fun to play. It might be the same song. Just make sure you do this so that you end with a nice positive thought at the end of your practice session. If you practice each time with that in mind, you're going to be amazed at the progress you can make. One of the new things we're going to learn today is notes on the staff. We're going to play individual notes, not chords this time, individual notes. And we're going to start by identifying the name of the notes on the staff. Now the staff is divided up into lines and spaces. The lines are E, G, B, D, and F, starting at the bottom going up. And a way to remember that is every good boy deserves fudge. And you take the first letter of each word and you end up with E, G, B, D, F. Now the spaces are the places in between the lines and they spell the word face, F-A-C-E. Now, if you look at it, it actually goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, if you go line, space, line, space. But for our purposes, we're just going to remember F-A-C-E is the spaces, E, G, B, D, F are the lines. First note we're going to learn is an A. And on the ukulele, we play the top string with no fingers on the frets, just an open string. And you'll find this note on the staff by the second space, and that would go F-A-C-E, so F-A, so that's an A, the note in the staff is there. So when you play it on the ukulele and you play an open string, the top string, there's your A. We can play some patterns with that. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's what it would sound like without me counting out loud. 1, 2, ready, go. Next note is on a line, and it is on the third line. It goes E, G, B, D, F, so this would be a B. You play a B on the ukulele in the second fret on the first string. So there's your B. Here's your A, here's your B. And here's the B. You play it on the second fret of the first string. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's without me saying the counts out loud. 1, 2, ready, go. The next note we're going to do is a C, and it's in the third space, F-A-C. And if we put our third finger in the third fret, we get a C on the ukulele. So now we have A, B, C. This is the C because it's in the third space, and you also play it in the third fret. So let's play C. Follow the pattern. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick reminder, when you have eighth notes, the and is always an up. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right, so let's try it one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it without me counting out loud. 1, 2, ready, go. Now with these notes, we can play lots of different patterns, and eventually we're going to have lots of songs we can play. Here's an A, here's a B, here's a C. Here we are going between A, B, and C. Sound like this. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's what it would sound like without me counting out loud. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we're going to switch between the C, the A, and the B. So this would sound like 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's what it would sound like without me counting out loud. 1, 2, ready, go. This one goes between the A, the C, and the B, and the pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Don't forget to play up on an and. And it would sound like this. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. Here's what it would sound like without me counting out loud. 1, 2, ready, go. Here's a nice little pattern that goes between the C, B, and A. Let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Here it is without me counting out loud. 1, 2, ready, go. This time we're going to play chords, and we're going to do it on a new song. Well, I'm sure it's not new to you. It's called Mary Had a Little Lamb. This is Mary Had a Little Lamb. It has a C, it has a G, and your pattern is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So let's play Mary Had a Little Lamb. 1, 2, ready, and.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Now it's time to learn a new chord, and our chord is going to be an F. We get this by our first finger on the second string in the first fret, and our second finger on the fourth string in the second fret. And we get that. And there's our F. So now we know a C, a G7, a G, and an F. And so we'll be able to learn lots of new songs with our new chord. Next new thing we're going to learn today is 3/4 time. We've been doing 4/4 time, where we had 4 counts. We would count to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And each of those counts would be a quarter note. Now we're going to only count to 3. And it's going to be, each of those counts still is a quarter note. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's 3/4 time. Let's try our new time signature and our new chord. And let's switch between a C and an F and a C and an F and a C and an F. And now this time, let's play it in 3/4 time, and let's play 3 quarter notes. So let's go 1, 2, 3, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ready. Now let's add eighth notes to that. So our pattern is going to be 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. Now let's add a G into this. So let's go from a C to an F to a G, back to a C. And again, let's do it in 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 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 1, 2, 3. Still have one more new thing to learn this week, and that is a fermata. A fermata placed over a note means that you get to hold it until the performer is ready to go on. Now sometimes the performer is, if it's just you by yourself playing, you get to decide. But if you're playing with the group, the conductor gets to decide. So a fermata is also called a hold, and you just hold the note. So you're going to run across one of these in our new song, which is Happy Birthday. And here is Happy Birthday. It starts with a C, it goes to a G7, goes back to a C, and then there's our F. And on the F, we play one F and then we hold it. We just wait until it goes on. And we're in 3/4 time. So if we were to play this, it would sound like this. Rest, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, here's your fermata. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Here's one of my favorite songs. It's called Keep on the Sunny Side. You have a C chord, you have an F chord, and a G7. It's in 4/4 time, and you strum it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Now there's a measure there at the beginning when it shows just a rest. There's a lead in with the bass. So let's try Keep on the Sunny Side. 1, 2, ready, and.
Keep on the sunny side, always on the sunny side. Keep on the sunny side of life. It will help us every day. It will brighten all the way. If we keep on the sunny side of life.
Our last song is a review, and it's This Old Man. We have a C and a G7 and quarter notes. Let's try This Old Man. 1, 2, ready, and.
This old man,
have for you today. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. The better you get, the more fun it is.